細伯出嚟講嘢咧，係時候去下廁所，坐喺後面。不過咧，我勸你哋咧忍一忍，因為咧以後嘅環節咧係有好多關於 Vicky 嘅黑材料要爆嘅。George, part 2 will be in about you will be in English, so bear with me. Vicky 嘅人咧係好特別嘅。如果你問下佢婆婆或者湊大佢嘅姨婆，佢哋都會同意。佢可能唔係一個好靚、最靚嘅女仔，但係佢肯定係一個最有進步嘅女性。因為佢細個嘅時候，確實係真係算係幾醜樣。
買啲咁樣，買啲咁。
佢又怕熱啦，梳個短頭髮啦，佢又冇髮腳喎，所以個髮型咧就好似一個爺爺學嘅搞法啦，喺頭嗰度咁樣。咁然後咧，佢又中意笑喎，笑起上嚟一隻眼就好似一條線咁，睇落都真係幾驚人。不過咧，醜樣都有醜樣嘅好處嘅，因為起碼唔會似靚人嘛。所以佢嫲嫲湊咗10幾個孫，都話佢係最乖嗰個孫，甚至有時好奇怪話：喂，點解呢個孫女係唔識得扭計嘅咧？踩咗 Vicky 咁耐，我諗如果再踩落去咧，佢會趕我落台啦，都係趕下佢啲好處啦。不過其實都唔會嘅，今日真係好有自信，好靚，爭啲唔認得佢。咁佢嘅長處咧，其實就係佢嘅眼神。Vicky 咧係可以講係一個女版嘅梁朝偉嚟嘅，佢嘅眼神咧係可以殺死人嗰種嚟。記得佢細個嘅時候咧，就有嚴重嘅哮喘喎。有一次咧就發作得好嚴重，咁同佢睇醫生啦。個醫生咧就俾好多藥佢，有啲係3個鐘頭一次，有啲係4個鐘頭一次，有啲係6個鐘頭一次，就叫我哋睇住佢按時食藥，直到天光，睇下情況會唔會惡化。咁於是我同佢媽咪就唯有門口睇住佢食藥啦。咁因為佢喘得太厲害啦，所以咧我哋2個咧要捉住佢隻手，然後將佢放喺我哋嘅膝頭哥度，佢先會覺得舒服。但係我哋又冇得瞓啦，佢又冇得瞓啦。但係雖然佢喘得咁犀利喎，但係佢不斷咁望住我哋，好似話俾我哋聽，佢係非常非常感激我哋。呢一刻我係永遠都唔會忘記。就為咗呢對眼神咧，我哋再同佢做100次都係心甘情願。不過 Vicky 咧慢慢長大啦，我諗同佢熟嘅朋友咧都知道咧，佢係一個好獨立嘅女仔嚟嘅。所以呢個成日好開心咁等我哋放工，好開心咁歡迎我哋嗰個細路女咧，終於就消失咗。特別係佢後來入住咗宿舍之後咧，佢黐我哋嘅機會咧就更少啦。咁失落之餘，佢有一日翻到嚟屋企就同我哋講話學校要見家長，我當然爭住去啦，因為我都想睇下佢喺學校搞邊科㗎嘛。咁於是我揸住架車就同佢去到學校，泊好車之後，佢突然之間問我喎，佢話：爸爸，你有冇銀仔啊？咁樣，我話：你用銀仔嚟做咩？佢話：前面係阿乜太架車，我哋一齊去畫花佢。我當然冇咁做啦，但係呢一刻開始，我就知道 Vicky 已經將我同佢嘅關係提升到可以同流合污嘅朋友咁樣。朋友溝通梗係靠 ICQ 或者 WhatsApp 啦，唔通當面傾偈咩？於是咧，我就喺 Vicky 身上咧學識好多啲短信嘅 short form。好似有一次咧，佢 send 個 WhatsApp 俾我。話佢 I'm heading for Big 6，我諗一諗先知道，原來佢係去緊大陸。終於咧有一日佢係 send 一個短信俾我哋，就話佢想我哋安排我哋見一下佢嘅 BF。咁我哋研究咗半日，就幾肯定咧呢個 BF 咧就係佢嘅 boyfriend。咁於是我哋隆而重之咧。就約咗佢呢個 BF 咧，就去一間bar嗰度見面，睇下佢呢個 BF 咧係咩料啦。So the first time we met Giorgio for the first time in a bar. We talk a lot. He is mature, intelligent, knowledgeable, and even handsome. But I can't stop thinking that this Kwai Lo will take away Vicky from us. The meeting is going okay, but at the end, I refuse to kiss him. Then 3 things coming up that changed me. Soon after we met, Vicky was admitted to the hospital for operation. Giorgio was there all the time, smuggling all kinds of food, staying there very late until the nurse kicked him out. After the operation, Vicky was unconscious for several hours. Giorgio was there, sitting next to her, staring at her for several hours. And happily report to us that she is recovering minute by minute. This is a bit funny, but I can't deny that he is really love her very, very much. Secondly, I know that Italian is traditional, like us Chinese, but I didn't know they are so traditional. Giorgio will attend all kinds of family activities, our family activities. Some of them even I will run away from. Visiting unknown relatives, funeral, birthday parties, festival celebration. He even followed us to the Chinese temple to pray for the God to give him luck for the coming year. Imagine, can you find such a family Thai son-in-law in a Hong Kong Chinese? But all this is not enough. Knowing Giorgio longer, I was impressed by his character. He liked to cook and eat good food. He liked to decorate and improve his home. He liked to grow beautiful plants. He has a demand for life, and he won't settle for less. With this character, I'm sure he will bring splendid life to Vicky. Because after all, this is not the length of life that counts. It is the width of life that it matters. So today, Giorgio, officially welcome to the family.
And now we would like to invite Giorgio's sister Kiara to come to the stage for the speech. You guys